Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to pin WhatsApp to your taskbar in Windows 11. So what you want to do, go ahead and find WhatsApp on your computer. So I have WhatsApp here, so I'm going to simply search for it and open up the WhatsApp. And once this is open up, guys, you can go ahead and you can pin this. So you can simply right click on a open, or let's say minimize app, which is the WhatsApp here. And once you right click on that, you will see the option to pin to taskbar. And once you pin it, you can go ahead and you can close the app and you'll still have it there, and you can always move it around anywhere that you wish. So you can move it anywhere that you want, and once you will move the app, you will have it there ready to your use and ready to your liking. And that's it. Whenever you're ready, open WhatsApp. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.